Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the dynamic and enlightening world of First Corinthians, a book from the New Testament that's packed with wisdom and guidance. Whether you're a Bible newbie or just curious, stick around because this book is a game changer. First Corinthians is a letter written by the Apostle Paul to the early Christian church in Corinth, a bustling, multicultural city filled with commerce and diverse beliefs. The church faced many issues, and Paul's teachings were aimed at unifying them. One major theme you'll find here is unity in diversity. Paul beautifully addresses how the church should function like a body, with each member playing a vital role. In chapter 12, verse 12, he says, "Just as a body, though one, has many parts, but all its many parts form one body, so it is with Christ." This imagery reminds us that it takes everyone to build a harmonious community. Now, who doesn't love a bit of insight on love? The famous love chapter, 1 Corinthians 13, stresses the supremacy of love above all else.
Paul poetically declares in verse 13, "And now these three remain, faith, hope, and love." A powerful reminder that love is the cornerstone of meaningful relationships.
Another highlight is the resurrection of the dead. In chapter 15, Paul provides a cornerstone of Christian belief. He asserts in verse 55, "Where, O death, is your victory? Where, O death, is your sting?" Paul assures believers of victory over death through Christ, promising hope and eternal life. 1 Corinthians also tackles everyday issues like lawsuits among believers, marriage advice, and personal freedom versus the impact on others. Paul's practical and spiritual guidelines foster a sense of balance and reflection on living a Christ-centered life. Whether you're looking to deepen your faith or just exploring, 1 Corinthians offers invaluable insights. It's a profound combination of doctrine, warm encouragement, and firm guidance that resonates even today. Curious to learn more? Dive into 1 Corinthians and be transformed by its wisdom.